morning, grade 4 students. Today is another day for learning. I am Teacher Lovely, your science teacher for today. Before we begin our lesson, let us have a game first. It is called 4-Pick 1 Word. Will you please bring out paper and pen where you can write your answer and keep it until our discussion. I know you are ready, so let's start the game. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Now, I want you to answer these questions. How many % of water is in the earth? What about, do you think water is important in our everyday life? Now, keep your answer for a while and later on, we will be discuss about it. Based on our 4-Pick 1 Word game, what do you think is our lesson for today? Alright, our lesson is about the sources of water. And the answer of this 4-Pick 1 Word is water. Everyone got the correct answer. Let me present to you our objectives. Our first objective is to identify the different sources of water using different pictures. The second one is to reflect on the importance of water in our life based on the media presentation. And for the last objective is to create a model of different sources of water using clay. Based on your answer before, what do you call this source of water? Very good! This is a groundwater. Do you think groundwater is important in our life? Do you use it in your everyday life? Absolutely! We use groundwater in our home and it is important. What about this source of water? Yes, this is a sea water. Do you think is it important? Yes, of course. Sea water is important in our life. And lastly, based on your answer, what do you call this source of water? Alright, this is a fresh water. Do you think it is also important? How can we use it? Very good! We use it in the farm, for washing clothes, and in everything that we do. Now, we already know that the three sources of water are fresh water, sea water, and groundwater. Let me discuss first the groundwater. Groundwater refers to any source of water that lies beneath the soil layer. The example of it are waterfalls, spring, deep well, pump, and faucet. And now, we are going to talk about the uses of water. So the answer for this 4-Pick 1 Word is use. I hope everyone got the correct answer. What do you think are the daily activities where we can use groundwater? Alright, we can use it in washing clothes, utensils, and other things at home. It can be a drinking water and it can also use at home and in farms. And for the second source of water is fresh water. It is a water on the surface of continents such as river, lake, ponds, streams, brooks, and swamp. What do you think the daily activities where we can use fresh water? Very good! We use it in washing clothes, cleaning things, bathing, and irrigation. And for the last source of water is seawater. Seawater is a complex mixture of 96.5% of water, 2.5% of salt, and a small amount of other substance. An ocean and sea are an example of seawater. Seawater constitutes a rich source of various commercially important chemical elements. It can be used to take a bath, clean things, and for feeding animals. So kids, what are the three sources of water? Absolutely! We have seawater, fresh water, and groundwater. Before we end our lesson, let me show you a video clip about the uses of water and reflect about the importance of it on our life. After watching a video clip, just pause it and write a one-paragraph essay.
Water and its uses. All the living things need water to survive, to live and grow. In this video, we are going to be looking at the various uses of water. We use water for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing clothes, cleaning, brushing teeth, washing utensils, washing hands, washing vehicles, and swimming. Apart from the domestic purpose, water is being used for farming and industrial purpose as well. Animals also need water to live. Plants need water to grow and survive. Water is a precious natural resource. We should not waste water.
Alright, I believe you are done writing your essay. Now take note of this. Water is important in our life. Plants, animals, and human beings needs water to survive. Water can be used in everything that we do, and there is 70% of water in our earth. That's all for today, kids. Thank you for listening and participating. I want you to keep all your answers and study again when you have time. Thank you!